How to change clock on iPhone. So if you want to change clock on your iPhone lock screen, so basically this is what I have as my iPhone lock screen and I want to change it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, this is best if you're using iOS 18. It is easier on iOS 18 compared to other iOS. So on your iOS 18 device, just press the side button once. Unlock your iPhone with your Face ID or Touch ID if you're using iOS 18 on your Touch ID device. So press and hold the lock screen. Once you unlock it with Face ID, then you should see the lock screen pops just like this. Now locate the lock screen where you want to change the clock style. Click on Customize, then select the lock screen. Now once you selected the lock screen, go ahead and click on the clock. Then you should see the menu pops up just like this. Now swipe to the clock style you want to use. Let's start with the clock color. So then swipe to the font style. Then here you can adjust the font size. See that? Then come here again. You can change the color. Click on this color picker and then select whichever color that pleases you here. So once you've selected the color just like this, you can just hit the back button. You can also use spectrum or slider to configure or customize the color style. Then hit the back button, and then once you're done, close the font and color page, then click on done at top right. Then click on the lock screen again. Now when next your iPhone screen is locked, you're gonna see the clock style change to this. So that is basically how to change clock on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.